Are you spending 2 hours a day sorting through customer emails? Stop. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to automate your entire inbox using AI, saving you hundreds of hours a month. And the best part, you don't need to know a single line of code. Most non-technical operators think AI automation is only for developers. That's a myth. We're going to use a simple tool called Zapier to connect your Gmail to ChatGPT. It's like building with digital Legos. First, create a free Zapier account. Set the trigger to new email in Gmail. Then, set the action to send to ChatGPT. We'll prompt ChatGPT to categorize the email. Is it a support request, a sales inquiry, or spam? Once categorized, Zapier routes it to the right folder or Slack channel. It's that simple. In a sec, I'll show you the one mistake that ruins this entire setup. But first, let's talk about the prompt. Your ChatGPT prompt needs to be specific. Tell it exactly what categories you use and give it examples. If you just say, sort my email, it will fail. Now the mistake to avoid. Do not let AI send automated replies to angry customers. Always have a human review the drafted response before hitting send. AI is a filter, not a replacement for empathy. Here's the truth no one is talking about. The real value of AI isn't in generating content, it's in routing information. By 2027, the businesses that win won't be the ones with the best AI-generated marketing copy. They'll be the ones with the cleanest internal data flow. If your customer support requests are sitting in a general inbox for 6 hours, you're losing money. Build the pipes now or get left behind. Set up this Zapier workflow today. I've linked the exact prompt template I use in the description below. Copy it, paste it, and reclaim your time.